You here with the Khan, and this is my take on Vienna and eggs. Firstly, the ingredients. We're going to be needing some Viennas, like about 6 Viennas, 5 eggs, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, a dash of milk, 1 chopped up red onion, a 1/4 teaspoon or 1/3 of a teaspoon baking powder, salt, crushed chilies, cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. First, what you need to do is heat your frying pan and then add a dash of olive oil. Move the olive oil around the pan. Once you're done with that, we're going to add the Viennas to the pan. Now the reason why we're adding the Viennas to the pan is we want to cook that Vienna fat out of that Viennas. Right, so move the Viennas around, cook it until it's cooked through and some of the fat has been melted out. Okay, so we're going to use 1 small onion. We're going to chop that onions finely. Add a dash of extra virgin olive oil before adding our chopped up onions. Okay, so when we stir that onions around, we're going to saute it until it's slightly translucent. Not completely, we still want to have a slight crunch to it. Once you're done, you add some crushed garlic and you add your chopped chilies, and we're going to move that sumbitch around. You're going to saute it until it's slightly translucent. You're going to add some crushed chilies. I like to use ghost chilies. Adds a little kick to it. So now what we're going to do is going to take 5 eggs. We have to unshell those eggs into the bowl. Ta-da! 1/4 or a 1/3 of a teaspoon baking powder added there. A dash of milk. Get ourselves a whisk. We're going to beat those eggs until it's a nice consistency. Once you're done with that, you add the eggs into the frying pan. So now at first you can move it around. Just mix the eggs and the crushed chilies and the garlic, everything there. You're going to mix it around. Okay, so then I'm going to add a pinch of cayenne pepper, a dash of black pepper, and about 2 to 3 pinches of salt. So once you added the salt, you can now start moving the eggs around. When you're frying the eggs, try to fold it until you get to a nice fluffy, moist texture. You are done. And you're going to take that eggs and you're going to add it to the plate. And that is how you make some good scrambled eggs.